Yeah, what's up everyone? Blondo here. Upon doing a bunch of editing for new videos, we came across this one. The story behind that one was we got caught in a really bad flash flood, and we decided, this would be the perfect day to do a last to leave challenge in an absolute flash flood, where it didn't flood on us at all. It flooded earlier on in the day, but it stopped as we got up there. So I'm going to call this video the failed last to leave challenge in a flash flood video, or something like that. So enjoy. Hi, Blondo here. We're in the middle of a flash flood-ish. Well, we were earlier. But we're stranded here on one of the porches at the state hospital with current items here. So let me show you what we have since we're stranded in the middle of a flash flood. Sure, why not? We have right here a jug of water. And in this bag we currently have, what do we have here? A bag of nuts. A Rice Krispie treat, a fork, which and a pizza. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to see how long we can survive here with these items. So enjoy. I've been here about 3 years. I mean, like 3 months. I mean, like 3 weeks. I mean, like 3 days.
You've been here for 30 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
It seems like much longer than that. Well, the fuck.
The fuck.
So we're going to test the durability of the escape proof of this building using the fork. Because, I mean, this is the only item we have that's considered a tool. So we're going to test with the durability of the brick, seeing if it's good. If we're able to break the brick using the fork, then it's going to be non-durable. So, well, we've come to the conclusion that this building is definitely durable and is definitely escape-proof. Well, I mean, I'm sure there are other ways you could escape from here, but you can use probably other items than just a fork. But I mean, whatever. All right. So we're still up here. We're still stranded. The storm has not hit at all. It hit really hard this morning, early afternoon. But it looks to me like we're okay to up and leave anytime we want. But we're not going to do that. We're going to continue to do this.
Blondo, what are you doing?
Nothing. Nothing at all. Not going crazy. Not going crazy at all. Been up here for over a half hour. Only. Well, we've been here so far, and nothing has happened. I'm so angry in fact, that I'm going to stab this jug of water with a fork because I'm angry. It's not working. Fuck it. So the news have lied to us, and we've had no flash floods tonight. So I'm going to walk down these stairs for the first time in almost an hour. I'm down here and there's fucking nothing. No rain, fucking nothing. Now you see, they don't like the dip. Well, they're okay with the dip. But what they don't like is the double dip, which is that. But you see, what they don't like is the triple dip. But how about the quadruple dip? Wait, what the fuck were we doing again?
You were going for your 4th dip in a row, even though it's illegal.
Oh, yeah, okay. Quadruple dip. I get it. Dickwad. So apparently I have been up here for this long, which I have not, and I am gonna leave because we didn't get stormed on. So, guess what? I'm off the porch.